Hi. So let's see about the dashboard overview here. And from here you can easily just change your profile picture, which is your. If you click on here, you will get your profile pictures updated successfully. And here, if you can write something every day, like today I want to do this. Okay, and just click on save. It will be saved. They will not saved. Okay, if you refresh, it will be retained there. Retained there. This is the profile picture. This is the profile picture. So this functionality is working fine. This is the next lesson. There is no lesson in front. As an administrator, there is no lesson. Let's edit the database for now manually, and let's see if I have. And right now, I'm an administrator or a teacher. This user is an administrator or a teacher. Here will be show the role. Student will say student. Teacher will say student. Teachers. Okay. So let's see what it is. um, let's see if I have a lesson how it's look like. And I understand you mentioned that it should be a loady, but I think it looks good. Every animations are not making so gorgeous. Let's do this. Let's go to the database. This is the global one. This is the table, and you can see there is no in future. So let's make this one is lesson number 3. Okay, make it for future. It's 31st of October. Okay, it's saved. Now if I refresh here, you will see my next lesson date is 31st October, and the time is 8 plus 31. You can see the time is 8 plus 31. Okay, let's change the time for make it 29. So it just for, is it working or not? I'm showing you. Let's see. You can see I have the next lesson is lesson 2, but it will get the very nearest future, because it's the very nearest future. It's already done, because it's 15th of October. 15th of October, it's the future one. Let's make it this one also, but it's 30, so it's 1 minute later than this one. Okay, so we will get the lesson 3. We'll get the this one. Okay, so now if we make it 31, so so now it should come, the lesson 4 should come the with 8:30, right? Let's refresh. You can see 8:30 is come. So it will come the very nearest future lesson as a teacher, because teacher can have so many there, so many lessons there. Okay, so right now there is nothing, because in your I can make it dynamic as well, no problem, but it's now static, because you send me Figma file like this notes. I don't know what will be at there, and this is the same for here. This is right now only English, but we can make it to do list, no issue. Okay, let's go to the lesson, into the lesson. Now we can see I have 3 lessons here. You maybe notice there is 4 lesson, but it should say 2 3 4. Why? Because this one is not my teacher ID, is not my teacher ID. This 3 is not my teacher ID. If I change this one as well, this one is not my teacher ID. As a teacher, this one is not my teacher ID, so it will come only 3 and 4. Let's refresh. It's only 3 and 4. Okay, I'm making this one as well. For now. Okay, so 2 3 4 would become there, and here is the time, current time. You can see here, this is the current time. Where I can see it's not showing, but this is the current time actually, 22nd of October. Okay, and the reminder is this one. So let's click on any other lesson, into the lesson. If you click here, it's showing a pop-up. Why it's showing a pop-up? Let's figure out. This waiting time is finished. This is the lesson 2. You know, this is the lesson 2. So when is lesson 2? This is the lesson 2. You know, This finished was this is completed, right? This completed and it was finished at 15th of October. Okay, and here is some zoom. This is a zoom URL actually. Okay, and this is the record video. So if you have, let's say this is not, don't have any record video. Okay, it's not have any record video. So when you click on the lesson 2, it will say record video is not submitted yet. So after completing the completing the lesson, as a student will see the lesson is not submitted yet, recorded video is not submitted yet. Okay, so by clicking here it will pop up this. But if it's a future, if it's a future so this one is future, right? So let's go to the lesson let's go to the lesson 3. So it's a future. Let's go to the lesson 3. I will see I have 8 day 21 hours 53 minutes and 3 seconds to this time is left to help this lesson, right? Zoom is not set yet. So as a teacher, when someone click on it, zoom is not set yet. Let's say if I set the zoom, let's say this one is a zoom link. Let's say if this one is a zoom link. Okay, let me refresh. If I click here, this is not right time to join. So it have some prevention that time need to be finished and zoom need to be set. Zoom URL need to be set to join the live class with this teacher, right? Okay. And the next one is about lessons. This one is the lessons material what you will provide from the Canva. So let's this is the course one, and it will come from dynamically from here. It's come from course 1 grade 1 lesson name. It's dynamically come from here. So grade 1 and grade 1 have only lesson 1, and when I click on it, take me to the lesson. It's going to here. Okay, and this is the copy button. You can see click to copy. In your Figma design, you showed me that click to copy, click to copy. So this is the URL coming from here, lesson URL and practice URL. How you need to add it? Let's at first you need to create a course. Like you have a course already, so let's create a grade. You have a course already. Let's I'm creating another course. So course 2. Okay, so course 2 is created. So when you go to the grade, you can see 2 course. Okay, let's grade 2 for course 1. You may see grade 2 for course 1 and grade 2 for course 2. So now if I go there, when I select a grade like grade 2, I can see there is 2 grade 2 because for course 1 and course 2. Okay, let's the course 1 lesson name is lesson 2. This may be the URL and add it. After adding it, lesson was added successfully. You can click on view all to view all. This is the course 1 grade 2 lesson 2. Okay, so when you will be at the lesson, you can see 2 course 1 and course 2. Let's say click on course 2, you can see only grade 2. So course 2 have only grade 2. When you click on here, grade 2 don't have any lesson data for now. Let me see. Course 2 does not have any grade. Course 2 does not have any grade. So I need to go there. Course 1 have 2 grade. Okay, course 1 have 2 grade, which is grade 1 and grade 2. Let's click on grade 2. It should be lesson 2. Okay, when you click on, take me to the lesson. This is the lesson URL and coming from here. So this is how it's working. And for the message, you must see you have only one student. Like you maybe have 3 classes in future, but you can see student ID is same, so there is only one student you have. Okay, so there is only one student you have, so it's an unique array. like you may have, as a teacher you may have so many lessons for future, so many students, but right now we have three lessons but with only one student, so student id is same, so that's why it's coming only one student. So let's send a message, hello dear, select this and click on send. The message sent successfully, so message is sent. And schedule is, we're still working on it because it will be a calendar, it's blank now, we're still working on it. So let's join as a student now. This is mm, this is a dashboard for student. Okay, let's upload a profile first. Let's say this one, it will say uploaded. If I refresh it, it will see here also, so it's uploaded. Let's, I'm a student, I can see there is no lesson. Why? Because this user is named Shakib and user id is 4, so there is no lesson in future. Let's edit the database for now. For the user 4, this is for user 1, and currently I'm working with user 4. The student id is 4. So I'm just showing the dashboard functionality. I will show that how it's changed there. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. If I refresh it here, I will see I have a lesson next. I have a lesson at 31th of October and 8/30. So I can add something today. I will do that. I can save it and I can go to the end of the lesson. You can see there's a lot of lessons. If I go to the next lesson, you can see 12 lesson is there. Why 12 lesson? Because when someone purchases one course, he need to be had at least 12 lesson. Let's 1 2 3 is booked. If I click on the lesson number 5, it will take me to the teachers. The teachers that is on localhost, teachers is not set at teachers to book his lesson because he is not booked yet. But if I go to the let me see which the lesson 2 3 4 is booked. So if I click on lesson 2, it will take me to the lesson. It's already finished, so let's go to the lesson number 2. 2 is finished. Let's go to the lesson number 3. 3 is not finished yet. So in 3 I can say it's 8 day 21 hours and 42 minutes left, but when I click on it, this is not right time to join. Please wait until the time finished. So time need to be finished and then he can join. Okay, and book a lesson. This is going to the teachers, so they can find the teacher and book his lessons. It's set it on server. Let's go to the practice. Practice is the same. No practice file added here, no practice file added here. So how we will add the teacher need to be add here, or you can add also for the student, each student. I think teacher will add after completing the lesson, teacher will add a practice file and it will be directly downloaded. So let's see how we can add a practice file and how it can be downloadable. This is the practice URL. Let's say you have uploaded something here, you have a drive link or any other link you may have. Let's, and this is a file URL, and you are added for lesson 2, that's mean practice 2. Okay, when you are done clicking the mode, if you refresh and click on practice 2, this file is come up. It will auto download it if it's not supported by browser. If supported by browser, the file, if supported by browser, it will open, otherwise it will download it. Okay, so this is how it's working. All the other tabs is will say no practice file added here. Okay, let's go to the message. Message is same. I have one teacher only, which is Parvez Ahmed, and I can select him. I can send a message, hello sir. So the message is sent. This is how it's working. This one is still no nothing was at the Figma. I can show you there's nothing was at the Figma for money tools. If I open the Figma, so I have made the design as actual on the Figma, but somewhere maybe some animations, but I think without animation this looks fine. So many animations can make the website slow and user can feel bored. You can see this is for profile, this is for inter lesson, this is also for inter lesson, this for practice, this for practice, this for vocal lessons, and this for vocal lessons, but there is no money tools section. From here it's all of the things is done, all of the things is done. Now diary is done, calendar is remain. So enter the lesson is done, this one is also 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 done. So only the schedules remain here, and all the other things is done. So I hope you noticed all the things. Just watch the video and let me know is it okay or not. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.